any foolishness, tell them to listen. I'm the type of person who will catch you and clip off your something. You understand? Me hold you and trim it up like when you go to barber shop and them use the shape on you. I'll use the scissors and shear you off. And on we'll go. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscription button. Yeah, the button, the red word was set. Subscribe. Yes, it's a button. You can click it and then it turns gray, and then touch your post notification bell right beside it where you get notified every time I upload a video over here on my channel. So I'm here to give you guys little tips on like tricks on outfit cute. Oh no, M-A-N. But we feel like it wanted to fix up. Anyways, I'm not sure if this will work for everybody, but I'm just telling you guys like little tips, little tricks, little idea, little advice, go something on how, like, let's say your college boyfriend, how to keep your college boyfriend. I don't know, as I said, I don't know if this, my hat, yeah, me have fun, because my hat bad, my hat people, my hat, and I can't turn on the fan in here. If I turn on the fan in here, it's gonna burn up. Anyway, let's get right into the video, so, like, go. Alright, people. Alright, so say you start college, right, and you see this guy where you like, or him like you, right, him like you, and you decide to, alright, whoops, as I see him as a future, as a baby daddy, as a husband, you see, yes, you as the wife, whoops, no ring, but you understand, the tips them, I think it still work, it's still in the process, yeah, empty but still in the process, so, yes, so, what to me I say now? Like you see him, I'm gonna say yes, that's him, that's babe, that's zaddy and everything. Yeah, why people always say zaddy? Talk it, what does that really mean? You know, I don't know. I'm just grab on and talk on my ear people say. I really don't know what zaddy means. Like, what's a zaddy? Z-A-D-D-Y. Anyways, yeah. So this is something where you have to have patience. If you don't have patience, it won't work. It won't work because not everybody you meet, they're going to be an innocent person. Some of them you have to run down the hill back at them. That's if you have the patience. Some of them you have to catch fire under them backside if you can light the fire. Some of them you have to grip them up. You understand? Everybody whole process, whole thing, it's totally different. So my little tips and little tricks now is that, okay, you meet somebody and like when you meet somebody and like, and when you start up, it's like, okay, all right, so I see you and whatever, and I like you, and you know, you meet the man, you make the man know what are your priorities, and you know, whatever you come to agreement. It has to only turn off and come to agreement where it is set to say that, okay, we want to make this work. You understand? So it's in the process, it's going on, it's working, and whatever. I mean, I would say come with your own personality. Do not come with a personality that is not you, because at the end of the day, your real personality is going to show. It not gonna lock up in the box forever. It's a go show. So make the person know, say, if you're loud, you're loud. If you're soft spoken, you understand? If you're bossy, yes, I'm a bossy bee. You understand? Make the person know all of that. No, hide up all of that too much in the box, because as me say at the end of the day, that all that is going to show. Another thing, let the person know that you're not stand for foolishness. Any foolishness, tell them to listen. I'm the type of person who will catch you and clip off your something. You understand? Me hold you and trim it up like when you go to barber shop and them use the shape on you. I'll use the scissors and shear you off. You understand? Make the person know that straight up, because if them can't deal with that, like as me say, show your real personality. So at the end of the day, if them can't deal with it, then them will know. So listen, you're the type of person that they should not play with. Them not for ramp with you. You understand? Yes. Another thing, while being all of that, you have to have that type of personality where the person see you and like when them see it, them just start daydream, then start gaze with it. What I call it, gaze? Yeah, like a gaze. Yeah, try so you crash your gaze, yes. You have to have that personality where the person like is, whatever. Also, you have to have a drive to make, like, if the person is not the type of person where, willing to try, and if you're willing to try, somebody in a relationship have to be the one that is willing to fight always. Somebody has every two person can have the same personality. Is it not gonna work? Because if it turn out bully, then it turn out go bull down the whole place, and the whole place are gonna crumble down. So somebody have to be the humble one, somebody have to be the one that is soft-spoken. And if it turn up like a personality that is smooth, personality that is able to work together, then that also can work. Somebody in a relationship has to be the one who is able to teach the other person that's to listen. And I saw this go. You have to just understand, say, I saw this go. So you have to have an open mind to say, listen, this is a process where we all have to grow to know each other. Not because we think we know each other. There is so much to know. When you just know somebody, you don't know 99% of who they are. Trust and believe, you probably just know 15% of who they are. That 15% is just from the person that you see with your eyes and what you accumulate with based on where you see. Because when things go like start get more in depth, things are becoming more real. You understand? Things are becoming more real. Another thing, as me said, if you want it to work, you have to be the type of person who fight for your man or your woman. So if you're a woman watching, you have to be able to fight for him if you really want it to work. Because you're not going to see a future man like that and just, so listen, okay, she can have him, or if you are him can. No. You have to have the drive to say, look here, hey girl, if you touch my man, I'm done you. You understand? You have to have the drive. Yo, I'm dying over here. When I have the investigating instinct, wanna say, listen, brother, my ear said the girl there talk to my man, and me have to go in a my little investigation mode, to say, listen, when that happen, you have to be able to put pin it, you have to be the type of person where you have to have them, so you have your instinct for everything, have to always on top of things, because you're not gonna cycle for no little lie story. Because if you're a little foo-foo smarty, then we think you're foo-foo smarty, and you can't be a foo-foo smarty. You have to be a strong, firm somebody. You understand? Yes. So you have to have the drive to say, look here, no matter what, sometimes, not all the time it works. Some things are really, 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 really unbearable. Sometimes, may I tell you have to own enough tissue. You have to own enough rag. You have to own enough money for going down to. Because something your pressure gone sky high, you don't know what to do, especially with them college money. And so much kitty fish all over the place. You have to listen. You have to be one of those kitty fish where you stand out. You have to stand out to make the man know say your kitty is worth it. You understand? Because as me say, if you're just that type of person when them say and them like, oh my god, okay, it not gonna work. Probably if it work, probably you're like the last option for all of who them want. You will never get chosen. You understand? So like you have to have the drive, the faith for fight for your thing. And then you just have your thing going on good. And one little something just come in and you just say, okay, me see something and go on, she can't have it. No boo. No. If make a girl know say or if you was a man with a woman, you have to make a man know say, listen, me are the man. But now I say the man them fi go and fight for them woman like no. If you get to that point and you want that, then that's up to you. But I'm just saying you have to be firm, because if you're in a school area, you got a girl coming here pretty than you. You got a man coming handsome than you. When girls see them body, the girl them kill them catch a fire. And when a man see a woman, the man something stand up stiff like it have never stand up before. So you have to sell yourself. You understand? Like you're going to want interview, you have to sell yourself to your man, make your man know, say, listen, this is what you want. I got all of it over here, and you're not gonna win. Me not make you go nowhere. So you have to all make something there. You have to hold them to it. You have to have patience. If you don't have patience, first of all relationship deals with patience. If you don't have relationship patience, no bother with it. Do not bother with it, because you're going to be stressed the hell out. Right? You're going to be fed up. You got all of them look something there. So if you're not on patient, no bother with the relationship. Park it like you park a car when now function good. You understand me? You have to have the drive to make it work. You have to make a woman know, say, listen, I'm not friend you because you're walking on my lane. And if you're walking on my lane, we ain't friends. We ain't friends, and we will not be friends, because no matter what, you're in my lane. Go find out one lane. Go drive your own car. We're not gonna drive. Listen, I am talking here, and I know if girl me makes it because of my mom. Me not share. And if I share, I must out of my control and get me eat it, because I tell these men, them sometimes them one kind of, you hear me? Yes. So you have to you have to sell yourself, like you sell yourself in one interview. You have to sell yourself to your man, make your man know, say, boo, this is me, you don't want nothing else. You understand? You have to just always, sometimes you know, it can reach a point where you go down on the bottom of the hill and you don't know, oh, like you're down there and say, listen, this is it. And then it just don't bother with it. And then something you get a break for a couple months, or say, depends on how long you guys deal with breaks for, because a break, I call a break is a breakup. If we're breaking off. We not break for come back. So if you're doing the bottom, if something down the bottom and you don't know how you're gonna reach up back at the top, and then it's just that, you know, as I said before, you know, it two can't have the same personality, because if it two have the same personality and it two reach at bottom and hill, and no one did it to push the fire, make one the other one say, okay, he might fight for me or she have fight for me, then it don't make no sense. But if you have one down at the bottom of the hill tired, and the next one come and look at something to push up the fire now, then no say the relationship will work. It can work, but sometimes some things are really unbearable, because some people, they do not learn, they do not respect you, and them just do not care. And sometimes we have to, like, you know, we have to set ourselves, put ourselves out there, like make people know. So we have a standard, we have a certain boundary where you cannot cross over. You understand? This is not for you to cross over, sir or mom. This is just something that you have to work within this, and if you don't work within this, then it just won't work. You understand? So it's just all of them stuff there, and relationship come with patience. If you don't have, you see, regular patience and a relationship patience. You have relationship patience plus regular patience. If you do not have regular patience, you're not gonna have relationship patience. Because not all the time you go find one little boof buff man, but can't cook, can't clean, can't do nothing, and him find you and him glad to have you, and you will spin him around like a gig, just like or vice versa. And not all the time, and they're not gonna just, you know, you feel like say you can deal with him all you want, and then they say, alright, because of me run the head, you just say, and all the time you go find somebody like that. Sometimes you go find somebody who out there, well experienced, and him you want, and you have to fight for him. You understand? You have to strong up. So yeah, so that's all the tips and the tricks that I have for overkeep your man. Yep. So if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Turn that red button into a gray button, a gray word, and hit the post notification bell. Follow me on all socials. They will be down below in the description box and on the screen. Until another video. Bye y'all. Peace.